Hello students, this is chapter 1 comparison. In last video I taught you big and small. Now here exercise 1. Tick the small fruit. This apple is smaller than this pumpkin, so here we tick in apple. Tick the big fish. This fish is smaller fish and this fish is big fish, so here we tick here big fish. Now this is biggest and smallest. Look at these three vegetables. This vegetable is smallest than these two vegetables, and this vegetable is biggest than these two vegetables. Now your exercise, tick the biggest. Here is three flowers, 1, 2 and 3. The biggest flower is this flower, then these two flowers. Tick the smallest. This is rat, this is goat, and this is buffalo. Smallest, here rat is smallest than these two figure. Then here we take the smallest one. Take the smallest one, that is rat. Now long and short. This is exercise 3. Tick the child with long hair. This child has small hair and this child has long hair. So here we tick the long hair. This is tick the short animal. Here is two snakes. The short snake is this one, then this. So here we tick the short snake. Now tall and short. Exercise 4. Tick the tall man. Here is two men, picture of two men. The tallest man means the height of this man is very taller or very big, very taller than this man, and the height of this man is very smaller than this man, so the tall man is this. So here we tick the taller man. Tick the short animal. The rabbit is shorter than this giraffe, and giraffe is taller than this rabbit, so here we tick in rabbit, short animal. Heavy and light. Heavy and light. Exercise 5. This is the mouse, this is a elephant. This elephant is heavy animal than this rabbit, so tick the heavy animal. Elephant is heavy. Tick the fruit which is lighter. This fruit is heavy, this fruit is light, then this fruit, and this fruit is light than this fruit. So here we tick the fruit here, light fruit. Inside and outside. Here two figures. Inside means under and outside means bahar. This dog is outside than this basket, and this dog is inside in the basket, so tick the cat, that is in sorry this is cat, is inside the basket. Here inside the basket, this. Tick the chicks that are outside the box. These chicks are outside and these chicks are inside in the box, so here we tick the chicks which is outside. Now rolling and sliding. The object which has round in shape are rolling on the surface. For example, this ball, a ball rolls, and the object which has flat in shape are sliding on the surface. For example, a book slides. Now exercise 8. Tick the objects which roll and cross the objects which slide. This bat is flat shape, so uh, here we cross, and this ball and this can roll, therefore here we cross the object. Now next figure, this is orange. Orange rolls, so here cross the object, here we tick ball and can. Now here we tick and here we cross. Now here our first chapter is completed. Now all of you complete your work in book. I will check your work when school will reopen. Thank you.